Part of the complication around processing card payments in South Africa is the dependency on multiple third parties, whether that be acquiring banks, issuing banks, networks like MasterCard and Visa, different types of PSPs, MPIs for 3DS authentication. One of the important things that Stitch has done to abstract a lot of this complication away for our merchants and increase conversion rates is build redundancy at every point in that process. So if any kind of a value chain player is down at any point, Stitch is able to switch to a different provider and make sure that conversion is as high as it can be. Stitch has placed a lot of focus on making our product extremely reliable. One of the things Stitch has done while building our card product is build our own switch and transaction engine. What this allows us to do is communicate directly with banks and act really quickly in the market when regulation or different messaging changes. Another feature that Stitch has put a lot of focus on is allowing our merchants to own their own tokenized cardholder data. This is really important because it means that merchants are never married to Stitch and they own their tokenized card data.
Stitch's card offering is focused on maximizing acceptance rates for merchants by optimizing the user journey on their card flows. One of the challenges that merchants face that we are working with is how to maximize authentication rates. Authentication rates can be really tricky on card, with 3DS being involved about when to use it, how to use it, and how to manage the flow around it so that drop-off is minimized. Some merchants can see 30 to 40% drop-off on a transaction as a result of not managing authentication well. Stitch works very closely with merchants to tailor authentication for them to minimize their risks, but at the same time maximize their acceptance rates.